Welcome to the spoken tutorial on file handling using Scilab. In this tutorial, we will learn file handling with the following functions: write function, read function, mopen, mclose. For demonstration, I am using Ubuntu Linux 12.04 operating system with Scilab version 5.3.3 installed. You should have basic knowledge of Scilab. If not, for relevant spoken tutorials, please visit spoken-tutorial.org. Now we will see some functions in Scilab which are useful for file handling. File handling involves writing to a file using write function, reading from a file using read function, opening an existing file using mopen function, closing an already opened file using mclose function. Let us start with writing data to a file. For this purpose, the write command is used. Switch to the Scilab console window. To begin with, let us create a matrix of random numbers. Type random underscore matrix is equal to rand into bracket 20, 1, close the bracket, semicolon, and press enter. Now check the present working directory. Type pwd. In my case, the present working directory is /home/fossee. Make sure that you are in a directory where you have read and write permission before you execute these commands. Now we will write the content of variable random underscore matrix into a text file using the write command. Type write into bracket into quotes random dash numbers dot txt, close the quotes, comma, random underscore matrix, close the bracket, and press enter. Let us see whether this file has been created. I will minimize the Scilab console window and open the file which will be created and saved in the fossee directory of my computer. You can see the data from variable random underscore matrix is returned in a text file random-numbers.txt. I will close this file. New underscore vector is equal to read into bracket into quotes random-number.txt, close the quotes, comma 20, 1, close the bracket, and press enter. The read command reads all the data from the file mentioned in the argument. In this case, random-numbers.txt, and stores in the variable new underscore vector. Press enter to continue the display. If we modify the above command as new underscore vector is equal to read into bracket into quotes random-numbers.txt, comma 19, 1, the read command reads only 19 data values from the file mentioned in this argument. In this case, random-numbers.txt, and stores in the variable new underscore vector. Issue this command on the Scilab console and verify the output. Now let us see about the mopen function. fd is equal to mopen into bracket file name, comma mode. Mopen command is used to open an existing file in a way compatible to C fopen procedure. Mode is a character string that controls whether the file is opened for R, that is equal to opens the file for reading, RB equal to open a binary file for reading, RT opens a text file for reading, W creates a new file for writing, or opens and truncates a file to 0 length. WB creates a new binary file for writing or opens and truncates a file to 0 length. WT creates a text file for writing or opens and truncates a file to 0 length. A or AB appends, opens a file for writing at the end of the file or creates a file for writing. R plus B opens a file for update, reading and writing. For example, fd_r is equal to mopen random dash numbers, rt. The above command opens random dash numbers as a text and read-only mode. mclose into bracket fd closes the opened file by using mopen, where fd is the file descriptor of the opened file. If fd is omitted, mclose closes the last opened file. That's all we have in this tutorial. We have learned file handling with the following functions: write function, read function, mopen, mclose. Watch the video available at the following link. It summarizes the spoken tutorial project. If you do not have good bandwidth, you can download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops using spoken tutorials, gives certificates to those who pass an online test. For more details, please write to contact@spoken-tutorial.org. Spoken Tutorial project is a part of Talk to a Teacher project. It is supported by the National Mission on Education through ICT, MHRD, Government of India. More information on this mission is available at spoken-tutorial.org/nmeict-intro. This is Anuradha Amritkar from IIT Bombay signing off. Thank you for joining.